Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gabe, and welcome to another episode. Today is a very special episode. I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing video. So today I ordered thank you for over 500 subs, and thank you for two birds and two bets to join my channel. So it's a little bit late, but I'm going to be doing this unboxing because I just got it in the mail. So what I have here is, I'm going to be opening it up. Okay, you ready? Okay, so this is the brand new iPad, 5th generation. Okay, so I'm going to be opening up now. You see, this is a brand new box, as you can see. Brand new box, as you can see, you see. So I'm going to be opening it up now. This is my first unboxing video. Okay. iPad 5th generation cost me 67,000 baht, so that's like 2,000 plus US dollars. And I got the brand new Magic Keyboard, which I'm going to be unboxing today. Okay, you ready guys? Okay, two birds and two bets. Totally cost like 80,000 baht, so that's like 3,000 US dollars. Okay, here we go guys. Okay, let's open up the iPad first. Okay, let's see what's inside the magic box. Wow. Okay, so this is the 5th generation iPad Pro. Wow. It's my birthday today, guys. It's my birthday today. Look how beautiful that is. iPad Pro. I got the silver color. Okay, and this is called the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 5th generation Wi-Fi plus cellular. Okay guys, as you can see, it's very, very, very beautiful. Wow. iPad Pro 5th generation. 1 terabyte. The reason I got 1 terabyte was because 2 terabytes is too much for me. I don't need 2 terabytes in my life. And I barely use 100 GB anyway because I stream. I have the Disney app, I have Netflix, and I have Paramount Plus. Okay, so this is the 1 terabyte version, iPad Pro 12.9 inch 5th generation with Wi-Fi plus cellular. Now this comes with the mini LED, okay guys? So the new mini LED is a new technology. It's basically like an OLED iPad. That's basically what it is guys, okay? It's basically like an OLED iPad. Now I have the 4th generation, so I'm going to be getting rid of that. I'm going to be selling it. So this is the bad boy right here, 12.9 inches of magic. And I use the iPad like 6 hours a day, so 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the evening. So what I'm going to be doing with this iPad is I'm going to be basically formatting. So here's the specs. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I'll just let you zoom in on that so you can see the specifications on that. But there you go, you see? iPad, okay. 12.9 inch 5th generation Wi-Fi plus cellular. There it is guys. It's silver color because the last 4th generation I had a space gray. Okay guys, and as you can see, it's very, very dark outside, so that's why I have the light facing on me. So there it is guys. There's the iPad. Okay, 5th generation. So I'm going to be getting a SIM card next month, hopefully when the mall's open, so I can open up a new line account. Okay, now let's look at the Magic Keyboard. This baby is the white Magic Keyboard, and the white Magic Keyboard is about 12,000 baht. Okay, so that's like $500. Oh no, it's like 15,000 baht. Okay, so this is the white one because I had the black one before. As you can see, Magic Keyboard. Okay, now I'm going to be doing more unboxing videos, but I want you to see, you know, what this looks like. Now I have this video, I'm recording it, and I'm also doing I have my light on, I have the microphone on, so that's why it's kind of dark. Okay guys, because I'm sitting here outside in the porch here in the balcony. Okay, so there's the iPad Magic Keyboard. Okay, so what should we open first? Should we open up the iPad or should we open up the Magic Keyboard? Let's open up the Magic Keyboard. Okay, so I'm just gonna start unboxing this baby right now because I'm gonna be really excited tonight. Okay, so there it is guys. There's the plastic and I'm just tearing it up. My first unboxing video. I have a 1-year warranty on this, by the way, so... Okay. There we go. Wow, look at that baby. Magic Keyboard in white color. So if you have $3,000 laying around or $3,000 to spare, be my guest. Totally cost 80,000 baht. Okay, here it is. And basically I'm going to be using this for my photography and my YouTube channel. Okay, so I just opened up the plastic. Now I'm going to open up the box and attempt to unbox this baby because I never opened it yet. And I just got this like 2 weeks ago, but the iPad came in today, so that's why I'm doing it. So today's topic is going to be about my unboxing of the iPad 5th Gen with the Magic Keyboard. Okay. Remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves. Okay, guys? Now let me open up this bad boy. I don't know how to open this. Okay, here it is. Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. Wow. So this, guys, is the Magic Keyboard. It's very beautiful, and it's in a white color. It's the new color. Now, the reason I got the 16 gigabytes is because I'm a gamer, so I need that 1 terabyte storage because I like to download video games. So I'm just taking this off here, this plastic. Let me just smell this really quick. Oh my god, I'm getting high off this IT technology. I'm actually getting high off this. It's so soft. Oh my god, this is insane, guys. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's like a new material, but this is gonna get dirty really fast, guys, so. Okay, now let me open it up. Wow, it's so beautiful. Magic Keyboard. Wow, look at that, guys. That's the Magic Keyboard. Can you see? So I'm not going to plug in anything. I'm not going to turn anything on. I'm going to do that once I get home because, like I said, I'm outside right now. I'm on the porch. I'm on the balcony. So, okay, guys. So this is the Magic Keyboard. As you can see, it's very beautiful, very soft, and it's a perfect fit. The old Magic Keyboard will fit the new iPads, but with a slight difference. It won't fit perfectly. Maybe like 95 to 99% it will fit. It will be functional. It will still work. But I got a new iPad because I'm getting rid of the old one with the old Magic Keyboard. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is the Magic Keyboard, as you can see. Now the iPad is equipped with the LED mini LED, and it comes with 5G. It also comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which I need for gaming, and a 1 terabyte hard drive. Okay, guys. Okay. Now that's the unboxing of the Magic Keyboard. So Magic Keyboard's finished already in pearly white. Okay, now let's open up the iPad and see what we got in the box. Okay. So I'm putting the Magic Keyboard back in the box, but I just opened it. Okay. Now let's open up the Magic Keyboard. Okay. Oh no, the iPad. Okay, so the iPad Pro, I've had the previous version, the 3rd generation and the 4th generation. This is the 5th generation. Okay, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Here's the plastic here. I'm going to open it up slowly. You ready? 1, 2, and 3. Wow, look at that, guys. I'm going to be doing more unboxing videos. I forgot to do my Sony Bluetooth headphones because it was very small. I figured, nah, I'm not going to do that. But definitely when I get bigger products, I'll do more unboxing videos. Okay, so let's open this sucker up. And let's see how it looks like. Alright, so I'm taking off the plastic. As you can see, today's my birthday. It's not actually my birthday, but I just like saying that. Okay, guys. So, okay, here we go, as you can see, and I don't know how long this video is going to be. Now it's already 8 minutes. We'll try to do 15 minutes, okay? 7 minutes for the iPad and 7 minutes for the Magic Keyboard. Now, I am an avid user of technology, so I need to be updated with the latest products, okay, guys? So there it is again. It's the iPad Pro 12.5th generation, Wi-Fi plus cellular, okay? I'm going to be opening it up now. Watch me open it up. Be very gentle with it, guys, because it's very expensive. 67,000 baht. It's no joke. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm trying to get it open. Just give me a second. Yeah, this is an unboxing video in the nighttime. So right now it's like 7 o'clock. So I got a lot of stuff to do today, guys. Okay. Okay, here it is. We're just opening up the iPad Pro now. Okay. Okay. Okay, here's the iPad Pro. Okay. So here it is. Okay, let me open it up now. Wow. So it's a little bit heavier than the previous generation. That's because of the mini LED. So here it is. Silver color. Now what I like about this, it has FaceTime. So FaceTime is new technology where it follows your face. So it's going to follow your face each time you make a call, which is pretty cool. You know, I like when it does that. So it's a new technology, and one thing I like about it is that the front-facing camera, the old generation, previously had an 8-megapixel camera, now comes equipped with the 12-megapixel camera, which is going to be better when you do the voice calling, video calling with your friends and family back at home. Okay, guys? Okay, so here's the iPad, and I'm going to be taking the plastic off so I can show you. Now, I've been waiting for this sucker a long time, okay guys, a very, very long time, as you can see. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, it smells perfect. Okay, so that's the logo, and this is the film I'm just taking off. I'm basically doing an unboxing video in the dark, so... Okay guys, so there it is. I'm going to make sure I don't drop it. Now, I don't like putting film on my technology because I like the original feel of technology. So I'm not going to be sticking a film on here. And I don't stick film on my other stuff too, like my other phones and stuff like that, because I think, you know, it's not worth it because you get well, for people who drop stuff, I definitely recommend getting film, but for me, I'm not gonna get it, okay guys? Okay, right there. Okay. Okay, guys, so let me see how many more minutes I have left. Okay, 12 minutes. We'll stop it in 3 more minutes. Okay, so this is the iPad equipped with the mini LED technology. I didn't open it yet. I didn't turn it on, I mean. It's a silver color. Okay, and that's the camera system, the camera array with the LiDAR. Okay. So there it is, guys. I'm going to turn it on when I get home. I'm not going to turn it on now because I got a lot of stuff to do. Let's see what else is in the box. I think it's going to come with, yeah, okay, so it comes with the USB-C charger, as you can see. I just dropped it. But that's okay. It's just the charger, okay? Don't worry. I got to find it now. Gosh, where did I put it? Hold on a second, guys. Let me borrow the light. I gotta find the charger. Hold on. Where did it go? Hold on a second, guys. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Here's the light. Okay. I just dropped the charger. Okay. No, but anyways, don't worry. The charger is here, and actually down here is just wood. It's not stone. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, it's wood down here, so it didn't damage it at all. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here's the charger. As you can see, it's very beautiful. As you can see, this is the charger, okay? Okay, guys, and that's going to be my video for today. So I'm just going to stop in the next 1 more minute, okay? Okay, so I'm going to be putting it back in the box, okay? I'm going to be putting it back in the box now. So just give me a minute here while I put the charger back in the box, okay? So it comes with a USB-C, okay? Okay, guys. So remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves, okay guys? Okay, I'm just checking the charger. Okay, everything's perfect, everything's fine. I'm putting everything back in the box now because I gotta get out of here. I got a lot of stuff to do today, okay guys? Okay. So remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves. And I'm gonna be putting it in the box now. Because I don't want to drop it. Now I gotta go home and format my 4th gen, and then I gotta use the 5th gen, okay guys? So basically what the mini LED does, what that does is the whites are more white, the blacks are more black, okay guys? Okay guys, so I'm gonna be stopping the video pretty soon. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my technology today. I got my iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard right here. Okay. And I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And hopefully I can see you in the next episode, okay? Remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Love you guys. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll stop it. Hold on. It's here. Okay.